Because that time we were traveling also with Gurudev. And I saw how much you have love and affection with Gurudev. And especially also original Jasad. Jasoda, Jasoda Gopi, Prem Vilas Prabhu, and he also that time his son, Dijamani Prabhu, and also I saw so much love and affection. For this regard, many devotees they also came and also took shelter under Surya Gurudev. Nikunja, original Nikunja, Nikunja Vilasini Didi. So much service into Gurudev, love and affection, and his son, that time Haridas, no? What is his name? Ram. That Ram is very small boy. So, love and affection. Just I remember how you have so much surrender to the spirit of Guru Padma. And so this Prabhu, what is his name? Madan Mohan Prabhu.
Madhava.
Madhava Prabhu.
Sorry.
Madhava Prabhu and Gunamala Devi Dasi. And there are many children also. How many?
Altogether 5.
Altogether 5.
Altogether.
Okay. That time also. And before Gurudev coming in UK, also at that time I was traveling different house, different place. And then devotees they also driving to me one place to another place. And staying the Nam, Sankirtan, this. And then when Gurudev festival coming, that I saw many 1,000 devotees also coming. They are doing very nice program there. And very nice, beautiful the environment as like Vrindavan. And Gurudev Harikatha is very sweet. So everybody intoxicated. And Harikatha and Nam Sankirtan, many brahmacharis, sannyasis, coming all around the world. And they coming and this Harikatha is going on this. That day was, what is it called? And we cannot forget.
Those days.
How is beautiful
Days.
that day. Anyhow, according to Krishna's desires, so I remember this. Gurudev told, I don't want to build any temple. But I want to build temple in your heart. Because in this material world, you build this temple, then many problems will come also. Quarreling to each other, they are saying this is mine, this is yours. Many unqualified person will also come in there. Many politician people will come also. This is true. And making disturb and this. But in your heart is temple. Hridaya Mandir. So for this regard, Gurudev told, I want to build
A
temple in your heart. How? Listen Harikatha. Harikatha is very powerful. As like Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, Radha Rasa Sudaniti, very nicely glorified about Srimati Radhika. How is it beautiful Vrindavan? Radha Karavajita Pallava Ballari ke Radha Padanka Vilasita Madhurastari ke Radha Jaso Mukha Matta Khaga Boli ke Radha Vihar Vipino Mano Me Ramatam Tayi. Radha Rasudanati Grantha. Topmost Grantha. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad. Before, all they were, it belongs to Sri Sampradayas. Where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in one temple. That is called Srirangam temple. Very nice, beautiful Vigraha is there. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when took darshan, that Vigraha and Srirangam, then Mahaprabhu dancing and singing and chanting holy names. Rolling on the ground, all the 8 ecstatic symptom manifest in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then all the audience, darshak, those that came, then they completely absorbed and they can become very surprised. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's complexion, that is called Tapta Kanchana Gauranga. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's complexion, this is called molten gold. Ajan Lambita Bahu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 2 hands going under the knees. That's very nice, beautiful. And dancing and singing up and down this way. So everybody completely intoxicated with the Nam Sankirtan of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and dancing and singing. And that time also this Bhatta Parivar, Prabodhananda Saraswati and Trimalla Bhatta and Venkat Bhatta. They initiated by Sri Sampradaya Ramanuja Sampradayas. But when they saw Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing, singing, and so nice, beautiful, this ecstatic mood, there's so much, what is called, pravit influence with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nam Sankirtan. Then after Nam Sankirtan, then they also called to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, invite to him, please come in my house. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came their house, and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu speaking very nice, beautiful Harikatha. Gurudev told, just Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Raya Ramananda, then he came in the house of Venkat Bhatta. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day he spoke very nice, beautiful, fresh Harikatha. Gurudev used this word, Taja Taja Harikatha. What is it called?
Fresh.
Fresh. That means is what? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and most of the time he glorified about Radha Krishna's sweet, amorous pastimes. That time, all the families of Bhatta, Timalla Bhatta or Venkat Bhatta, Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, and that time also Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he was very small boy. And Gopal Bhatta Goswami also so much intoxicated with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in their house 4 months. How many months?
4 months.
4 months. And Sadhu is staying 4 months. And all the Brahmanas, they called to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, please come in our house and take prasada. So 4 months, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go one house to another house, another house, another house. But night time, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in the house of Bhatta Parivadami, Prabodhananda Saraswati. There are 3 brothers. Prabodhananda Saraswati, Trimalla Bhatta and Venkat Bhatta. And night time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu mostly also glorified about Radha Krishna Lila Katha is there. And so many. But they initiated by Sri Sampradaya and they are Ishtadev, Lakshmi and Narayan. Understand this? So one is so much intimacy with coming with them. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu one day laughed and joked, saying, listen, your Ishtadev, that is called Lakshmi Narayan. And Lakshmi Devi says, what is called? Sadhi Nari. Sadhi means
Chaste lady.
chaste lady, one pointed with her husband Narayan. And Lakshmi Devi, she has also some egos. I am Brahmani Abhiman. This is the thing. And she is what? She always thinking, I am the queen of Vaikuntha. Maharani Vaikuntha. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, again humble, he told, listen, my Ishtadev Krishna, and he is cowherd boy. Understand? And he is herding the cows, and he was born in which family? Cowherd family, Vaishya family. But I heard, Mahaprabhu saying, I am heard in Srimad Bhagavatam, Ye Lakshmi Devi, she is very eager to meet with Krishna. Why? And she also entered in the residence of Krishna and with the gopis. Eh? So that means Lakshmi Devi, she is not one pointed with her husband Narayan. Eh? So in this way Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu laughed and joked. Eh? That time Prabhupada Saraswati Bhatrimalla Bhatta, they told Prabhu, why you joked with our Ishtadev? Eh? Actually there are no difference between Krishna and Narayan. Siddhanta Tattva Vedesu Opi Sisa Krishna Yo. Eh? Prasana Utkrishate Krishna Rasam Vyavasthiti. According to the conception of the scriptures, Lord is one. Ekameva Parama Tattam. Only one absolute truth, that is called Bhagavan. He is one. But he manifests many forms according to his releasing the different rasas. Lord is one or not?
Yeah.
As if one person had two types of job, work. He is lawyer, another also is doctor. Person is one. But when he used to go the clinic, everybody called him doctor. That time his dress, everything is different. Or same person when he used to go the court, then everybody called him advocate or lawyer. And that time his dress also different, mood also different. And doctor mood and lawyer mood not same. But person is same. So for this regard, Trimalla Bhatta told Prabhu, why did you joke with my Ishtadev? Person is same. And also, Lakshmi Devi, she did not lose her chastity. Understand? Your husband is doctor or lawyer. This person is same. So, why you joked? Only this is his word. Rasanat Krishnate, according to Rasa Vichar, then Krishna has many qualifications. Krishna has 64 qualifications. And Narayan, how many qualifications? 60 qualifications. Ramchandra has 62 and half qualifications. This is the simple way. So why you joked? Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very pleasantly, okay, you are saying very nice Tattva Siddhanta. But in Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. And many Shrutis, Ved, Puran, Upanishads, they also perform hard austerities, how to enter in the residence, and they also enter the residence. But Srimad Bhagavat is saying, Lakshmi Devi, still she is performing hard austerities, other side of the Vrindavan, that is called Bilvan, but Lakshmi Devi, she did not enter residence. And Shruti Paila, Lakshmi Kanana Paila. Mahaprabhu asked these things also. And Kasanu Vasva Deva Vidmahe Tabangri Renu Prasadhikara Sri Lanana Charot Tapo Vihaya Kamana Suchiradhita Vrata. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. Nagkanna Stuti also is there. So Lakshmi Devi, she did not enter in the residence. Why? Many Shrutis, especially Gopal Tapanya Upanishad, other Shrutis, they perform hard austerities. And then finally they also enter in residence. But Lakshmi Devi, she could not. Why?
She can't give up.
Then Gopal Bhatta goes, what is it called? Pramanda Saraswati Patrimalla Bhatta, their heads start to spinning. Understand this? Very nice, beautiful, this katha is also. This is true or wrong? That time they told Prabhu, you explain why. Then Mahaprabhu told, actually there are no difference between Lakshmi and Srimati Radhika. Krishna's internal potency, that is called Srimati Radhika. Antaranga Sakti or Hladini Sakti. Pleasure potency of Krishna. Hladini Sakti. And this Hladini Sakti completely, absolutely manifested form of Srimati Radhika. Krishna re Ananda Day Naam Hladini. And Radhini Shakti Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. Devi Krishnamai Prokta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmi Sarva Kamti Sarmahini Para. Our Brihad Gautama Tantra and other Shastra also saying this way. So Srimati Radhika, actually why I am saying this? The Srimati Radhika, she is the origin, Radhini potency, but internal potency of Krishna. And then her many expansion. And understand? In Lakshmi, all the Lakshmis in Vaikuntha, actually they are called the expansion of Srimati Radhika. And, or in Braj, all the gopis, they also all the expansion of Srimati Radhika. And as like Krishna, Varnandan Samsundar Krishna, and in Vrindavan his origin. Then his many expansion, and Vaibhav, Prabhav, Vaibhav, many Leelas goes on. And many Narayan or many incarnation manifested from him. And Ramadi Murtisu Kalani Minotistan Nana Avataru Mukurat Bhuvanesu Kintu Krishna Sang Avat Parama Pumanaju Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami Govinda Adi Purus Krishna Isara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karna Karna. There are many evidence from our Shastra. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told him, Bhatta, you don't upset. Krishna is one, but he is releasing many kinds of rasas from his devotees. For this regard, he manifested many forms in Vaikuntha. He manifested in the form of Narayan, and same time Srimati Radhika she manifested in the form of Lakshmi. And in Dwaraka, Krishna also manifested in Dwaraka this that time, and all the queens of Dwaraka, actually their expansion of Srimati Radhika. In Braj, in Vrindavan, Srimati Radhika, she fulfilled all the desires of Krishna. Sarvamancha purti kare aradhane atev Radhika naam purane bakane. Sarvamancha, Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. So Sarva Mancha Purti Kare Aradhane Atev Radhika Nam Purane Babu Kanta Bina Nahi Rasera Ullas. Without many consort, Krishna will be not happy. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she manifests many forms, and especially in Braj, many gopis. Actually, all these gopis, they are non-different from Srimati Radhika. This is the main thing in this also. Understand? Lalita Devi. Who is Lalita Devi? And Srimati Radhika's one Lalit mood. That is called Lalita Devi. Visakha, special mood of Srimati Radhika. That is called Visakha. Rupa Manjari. Who is Rupa Manjari? Srimati Radhika's own form. That is called Rupa Manjari. Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. This is true. But without many consort, Krishna will not be happy. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she manifests many forms also. In Braj, and also Vaikuntha and Dwaraka, many forms there. So in this way, Mahaprabhu very nicely told this Tattva Siddhanta also this way. But one thing, Lakshmi Devi, she could not enter Ras dance. Why? Because Lakshmi Devi, she has one Abhiman, ego. Yeah, I am queen of Vaikuntha. But if you enter the Ras dance, some rules is there. What are the rules? You have to take birth in Braj Janma. And you then again you take birth in the womb of the gopis, that is Gopi Griha Janma. But you can understand? And you associate with the Nitya Siddhas gopis. And you do everything is under guidance of Nitya Siddhas gopis. Radhar Anugatta Vina, Gopir Anugatta Vina, Bhajilo Napai Praje Brajendra Nandan. Without and under guidance of gopis, he cannot enter in Krishna's Madhur Leela. This is very important. So first you have to take bath in your Braj Janma. Understand? Second, you have to take birth in home of the gopis, Gopi Griha Janma, Gopi Garva Janma. Then you will have coming automatically Abhiman, egos will come. I am Gopi. Gop Abhiman. Gop Jati Krishna, Gopi Bina Anya Nakare Angikar. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishna is one Abhiman. I am Gop Jati. Covered. So I accept only covered girls, these. Gop Jati Krishna, Gopi Bina Anya Nakare Angikar. Krishna has some rules and regulations. If you want to enter in Ras dance, you have to become Gopi Bhav. This is the process. But Lakshmi Devi, Lakshmi Dehe Rase Praveshite. Lakshmi Devi, she has one egos. In my Lakshmi form, I enter in Ras dance, but this is not possible. Krishna told, hey Lakshmi, if you want to enter my Ras dance, you have to follow these rules. Understand? So these rules, these rules. But Lakshmi Devi, she don't want to follow these rules. So Krishna told, okay, you can't enter in Ras dance. So still Lakshmi Devi, she is performing her austerities other side of the bank of Jamuna, that is called Belban. Look at that. And fold her hands, these things. Finally, Lord is very pleased. Her austerity, Lord told, okay, I will accept you as like my, what is it called? Golden line on my chest.
Shiva?
Golden
Golden line.
line. Sarna Rekha. Now Lakshmi Devi, she is now in her.
Residing on the chest.
Residing in the chest of
Krishna.
Krishna. As like one
Golden line.
Sarna Rekha. But Lakshmi's Sarir cannot possible. Because some rules. If you enter in the Ras dance, the process also there. This rule. First this is Chaitanya Charitamrita saying, Krishna Gopa Jati Krishna Gopi Bina Anya Nakare Angikar. This is the process also this way. So for their highest mode is what? How to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. And if you want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, and this mood also need. How to become Gopi Abhiman. Understand? Or if you want to become Gopi, so many rules are there. Adu Sabda, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, then Roti, Bhav, Prem, then coming higher stage. Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udhiruda, Mohan, Modan, and Madanakha Mahabhav. Long process. Do bhajan and sadhan. Without sadhan, you can't to enter in your highest perfection. Sadhan bina sabda vastu prakti nahi hoy. Without sadhan, sadhan is practice. How possible you enter in high stage? If you want to become doctor, lawyer, you have to study more and more and many years. Understand? If you want good job, what will do? Study and go to university and many practice. You have good enough. If you want to just ordinary job, no problem. If you are Gopi Bhav, this is the highest mode they say. But in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the embodiment of magnificent and magnanimity. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, just to surrender to me. Jatha Jatha Gauro Padar Vinde Vinde Bhuvad Krita Punna Punja Tatha Tatha Sarpid Hidi Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhambu Rasi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, what will do bhajan and sadhan? Kali Yuga very difficult to bhajan and sadhan. Understand? कृतेज ध्यातो विष्णु त्रितांग जजते मुखी दापरे परिचर्चाएं और कलो केशव नाम संकीर्तन कली जी को नाम संकीर्तन if you simply chant holy names and surrender to Lord Sachinandan Gaurhari and Sachinandan Gaurhari promised I will deliver to you. So what will do? के जावी रे भाई भव सिंधु पार धन्य कलि जुगे रचई तनय अवतार अमर गौरांगे गावे प्रधान खेयाव जड़ायंद आतुर सभी पार के जावी रे भाई भव सिंधु पार बोलो हरि नामेर नौका खानी श्री गुरु कंडारी हरि नामेर नौका खानी श्री गुरु कंडारी संकीर्तन केरो आलो दुबाऊ पसारी केरो आलो दुबाऊ पसारी No need anything, sir. Just chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Hari Name Nauka Khan. Where's the boat? Hari Nam. Hari Name Nauka Khani?
Who's the captain?
Who is captain? Sri Guru Kandari. Completely surrendered to the feet of Guru Padma, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hari Name Nauka Khani, Sri Guru Kandari, Sankirtana Kero Alo, Dubahu Basa. Raise two hands and chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,